In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can rank up in Rocket League. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, ranking up isn't just about mechanics here in Rocket League. You're going to need to have a balance of mechanical skill and game sense. That means good positioning, smart decisions, and you can't actually rank up if your settings are holding you back. Most pros do not use the default settings. Instead, go ahead and navigate into settings right here and adjust the following. Obviously, turn off camera shake. You do not want that on. Set your field of view to around 110. Go ahead and lower your controller dead zone as well to about 0.05 for faster responsiveness. Set the dodge dead zone to about 0.7 to prevent accidental backflips. Go ahead and move your boost to R1 and RB, and move your air roll to L1 or LB. This will let you jump, boost, air roll at the exact same time without those, awkward button presses. And then from here, don't practice flip resets like you're in silver. What you're going to want to actually focus on is solid touches, fast recoveries, and basic aerial control. Power shots are also pretty good as well as consistency. And as you move into diamond, champ, and above, mechanics are going to become a lot more important, but early ranks are mainly just about consistency. By far the biggest reason that players get hard stuck is bad rotation. In a 2v2 or a 3v3, you got to understand your role. The first man is going to challenge the ball, the second man will support or look for a pass, and the third man will stay back near midfield to defend clears. Never double commit. If your teammate's already in a corner with the ball, do not go there. Just stay back and prepare for the next play. I'd also recommend, before playing ranked, to spend about 15 to 20 minutes in free play before jumping in, just so that you can hit the ball around, work on speed and control, and get rid of the rust. You'll be surprised how much better you play after a proper warm-up. But that is it. Fix your settings, improve your rotation, practice the intention, and that's how you're going to rank up fast here in Rocket League. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.